Hello again. Let's talk about the letter R, which is the 18th letter of the alphabet. R is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter R has a shape that looks like a diagonal line with a small curve at the bottom. It is important to remember how to draw the letter R correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter R makes a special sound, the R sound. This sound is made by vibrating your vocal cords while curling the tip of your tongue back towards the roof of your mouth. Some common words that start with the letter R include rabbit, rainbow, and rocket. Words that have the letter R in them are all around us. We might ride a bike with rubber tires, or wear a cozy sweater made from wool or cotton. We might also read a book about a roaring lion, or listen to music on a record player. Remembering the letter R is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big R for the letter R, and get ready to continue exploring the amazing world of language. Please, don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.